I am the F.I.N. I embody power. I guarantee stability. I move with agility. I act with precision. I give you control. I bring speed. I ensure security. I connect billions of data points in a fraction of a second. I see what you cannot see. I provide the thrust to help you lift your organization into the future. I support innovation that transforms the world. I detect fraud before it strikes. I secure every transaction with uncompromising precision. I revolutionize production with intelligent robotics. I predict failures before they happen, keeping the world in motion. I transform logistics through seamless automation. I chart flight routes and save time, fuel, and lives. I optimize customer service. I redefine the shopping experience. I detect diseases and accelerate medical breakthroughs. I design personalized therapies that give hope where there is none. I forecast climate change. I protect crops and ensure food security. I minimize the waste of Earth's resources. I reduce energy consumption to protect our planet. I code. I help find answers. I improve citizen services. I help protect nations. I unlock the secrets of the universe. I unleash the full power of artificial intelligence. Built on NVIDIA's most advanced technological stack, I am one of the most advanced supercomputers. The first in Poland, the first in Central and Eastern Europe, the most powerful platform supporting AI projects in this part of the continent. Secure and sovereign. The core of Beyond.pl's AI Factory. Everyone can benefit from my attributes, from finance to healthcare, from public services to manufacturing, from retail to media and IT. I empower organizations to innovate and grow. I support startups and researchers to tackle the world's greatest problems. My capabilities are within your reach. The era of transformation has begun. Dive into the world of AI with me. Deeper into discovery, faster into innovation, further into the future. I am the F.I.N. The future is now.